1 million sinners freed from hell every day. Whilst mentioning the favors, the bounties, the mercy, and the forgiveness of Allah one day, the beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "On the first night of Ramadan, Allah has a merciful glance at His creation, and if Allah has a merciful glance at any of His men, He will not punish them. He frees 1 million sinners from hell every day, and on the 29th, He sets free as many as He freed throughout the month. On the night of Eid al-Fitr, the angel rejoice and Allah reveal His nur divine light, and say to them, O group of angels, what is the reward for the laborer that has completed his work? They replied that he be given his complete pay. Allah then says, Be witness that I have forgiven each and every one of them.